Welcome to the Ultimate Movie Trivia Quiz. Think you know your favorite stars? Let's find out. Get ready for 50 questions about Hollywood's biggest names. Keep track of your score and share it in the comments. Number 1. Who played the character of Forrest Gump in the 1994 film? A. Tom Hanks, B. Leonardo DiCaprio, C. Brad Pitt. A. Tom Hanks. Tom Hanks won the Best Actor Oscar for his role in Forrest Gump 2. Which actress won an Academy Award for her role in the movie Black Swan? A. Natalie Portman, B. Mila Kunis, C. Jennifer Lawrence. A. Natalie Portman. Natalie Portman trained in ballet for a year for her role in Black Swan 3. Which actor starred as Tony Stark in the Marvel Cinematic Universe? A. Chris Evans, B. Robert Downey Jr., C. Chris Hemsworth. B. Robert Downey Jr. Robert Downey Jr. was the highest paid actor in Hollywood in 2015. 4. Who played the leading role in the film Pretty Woman? A. Julia Roberts, B. Meg Ryan, C. Sandra Bullock. A. Julia Roberts. Julia Roberts was paid $300,000 for her role in Pretty Woman 5. Which actor is known for his role as Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean series? A. Orlando Bloom, B. Johnny Depp, C. Hugh Jackman. B. Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp based Jack Sparrow's character on Keith Richards from the Rolling Stones. 6. Who won an Oscar for Best Actress for her performance in the film La La Land? A. Emma Stone, B. Anne Hathaway, C. Reese Witherspoon. A. Emma Stone. La La Land won 6 Oscars, including Best Actress for Emma Stone. 7. Which actor portrayed the character of Neo in The Matrix trilogy? A. Will Smith, B. Keanu Reeves, C. Tom Cruise. B. Keanu Reeves. Keanu Reeves did many of his own stunts for The Matrix. 8. Who played the role of Katniss Everdeen in The Hunger Games series? A. Shailene Woodley, B. Kristen Stewart, C. Jennifer Lawrence. C. Jennifer Lawrence. Jennifer Lawrence was the highest paid actress in 2015 and 2016. 9. Which actress starred as Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter series? A. Emma Watson, B. Bonnie Wright, C. Evanna Lynch. A. Emma Watson. Emma Watson was cast as Hermione at the age of 9. 10. Which actor is famous for his role as the Terminator in the Terminator series? A. Sylvester Stallone, B. Bruce Willis, C. Arnold Schwarzenegger. C. Arnold Schwarzenegger. "I'll be back" is one of the most famous lines from the Terminator series. 11. Who played the character of Jack Dawson in Titanic? A. Brad Pitt, B. Leonardo DiCaprio, C. Matt Damon. B. Leonardo DiCaprio. Titanic won 11 Academy Awards, including Best Picture. 12. Which actress starred in The Devil Wears Prada as Miranda Priestley? A. Meryl Streep, B. Glenn Close, C. Helen Mirren. Meryl Streep. Meryl Streep has been nominated for an Academy Award a record 21 times. 13. Who played the character of Tony Montana in Scarface? A. Al Pacino, B. Robert De Niro, C. Joe Pesci. A. Al Pacino. Al Pacino's Scarface performance is considered one of his best. 14. Which actor played the character of John McClane in Die Hard? A. Bruce Willis, B. Arnold Schwarzenegger, C. Sylvester Stallone. Bruce Willis, Die Hard is often considered one of the greatest action films of all time. 15. Who starred as Clarice Starling in The Silence of the Lambs? A. Jodie Foster, B. Julianne Moore, C. Michelle Pfeiffer. A. Jodie Foster, The Silence of the Lambs, won the Big Five Academy Awards: Best Picture, Actor, Actress, Director, Screenplay. 16. Which actress played the role of Mia in Pulp Fiction? A. Uma Thurman, B. Patricia Arquette, C. Winona Ryder. Uma Thurman. Uma Thurman's dance scene with John Travolta is iconic. 17. Who played the character of Indiana Jones in the Indiana Jones series? A. Tom Selleck, B. Harrison Ford, C. Mel Gibson. B. Harrison Ford. Harrison Ford's portrayal of Indiana Jones became one of his most famous roles. 18. Which actor portrayed the Joker in The Dark Knight? A. Heath Ledger, B. Joaquin Phoenix, C. Jack Nicholson. A. Heath Ledger. Heath Ledger won a posthumous Oscar for his role as the Joker. 19. Who starred as the character of Rick Deckard in Blade Runner? A. Harrison Ford, B. Rutger Hauer, C. Sean Young. Harrison Ford, Blade Runner, is considered a sci-fi classic. 20. Which actress played the role of Rose in Titanic? A. Kate Winslet, B. Gwyneth Paltrow, C. Claire Danes. Kate Winslet. Titanic was the first film to gross over $1 billion worldwide. 21. Who played the character of Aragorn in The Lord of the Rings series? A. Viggo Mortensen, B. Orlando Bloom, C. Ian McKellen. Viggo Mortensen. Viggo Mortensen performed many of his own stunts in the series. 22. Which actor starred as Maximus in Gladiator? A. Russell Crowe, B. Joaquin Phoenix, C. Gerard Butler. Russell Crowe. Gladiator won the Academy Award for Best Picture. 23. Who played the character of Bridget Jones in Bridget Jones's Diary? A. Renee Zellweger, B. Sandra Bullock, C. Reese Witherspoon. Renee Zellweger gained 30 pounds for her role in Bridget Jones's Diary. 24. Which actress starred as the character of Holly Golightly in Breakfast at Tiffany's? A. Audrey Hepburn, B. Marilyn Monroe, C. Elizabeth Taylor. A. Audrey Hepburn. Audrey Hepburn's little black dress in the movie became iconic. 25. Who played the character of Rocky Balboa in the Rocky series? A. Sylvester Stallone, B. Robert De Niro, C. Al Pacino. Sylvester Stallone. Sylvester Stallone wrote the screenplay for Rocky in 3 days. 26. Which actor starred as Derek Zoolander in Zoolander? A. Owen Wilson, B. Ben Stiller, C. Vince Vaughn. B. Ben Stiller. Zoolander became a cult classic after its release. 27. Who played the character of Elle Woods in Legally Blonde? A. Reese Witherspoon, B. Cameron Diaz, C. Julia Roberts. Reese Witherspoon, Legally Blonde, inspired a successful Broadway musical. 28. Which actor starred as Wolverine in the X-Men series? A. Hugh Jackman, B. Patrick Stewart, C. James McAvoy. Hugh Jackman. Hugh Jackman holds the record for the longest career as a live-action Marvel superhero. 29. Who starred as the character of Sarah Connor in the Terminator series? A. Linda Hamilton, B. Sigourney Weaver, C. Jamie Lee Curtis. Linda Hamilton underwent intense physical training for her role in Terminator 2, Judgment Day, 30. Which actress played the character of Scarlett O'Hara in Gone with the Wind? A. Vivien Leigh, B. Bette Davis, C. Joan Crawford. A. Vivien Leigh, Gone with the Wind, won 10 Academy Awards, 31. Who played the character of Vito Corleone in The Godfather? A. Al Pacino, B. Robert De Niro, C. Marlon Brando. Marlon Brando won an Academy Award for his role in The Godfather, 32. Which actor starred as the character of Spider-Man in the 2002 film Spider-Man? A. Tobey Maguire, B. Andrew Garfield, C. Tom Holland. Tobey Maguire performed many of his own stunts in Spider-Man, 33. Who played the character of Luke Skywalker in the Star Wars series? A. Harrison Ford, B. Mark Hamill, C. Alec Guinness. Mark Hamill is also known for voicing the Joker in animated Batman series, 34. Which actress starred as the character of Ripley in the Alien series? A. Sigourney Weaver, B. Linda Hamilton, C. Jodie Foster. Sigourney Weaver's role in Alien redefined the female action hero, 35. Who played the character of Marty McFly in the Back to the Future series? A. Michael J. Fox, B. Christopher Lloyd, C. Eric Stoltz. Michael J. Fox replaced Eric Stoltz, who was originally cast as Marty 36. Who played the character of Andy Dufresne in The Shawshank Redemption? A. Tom Hanks, B. Tim Robbins, C. Morgan Freeman. B. Tim Robbins. The Shawshank Redemption is based on a novella by Stephen King, 37. Who played the character of Ethan Hunt in the Mission Impossible series? A. Tom Cruise, B. Matt Damon, C. Brad Pitt. Tom Cruise is known for performing his own stunts in the Mission Impossible series, 38. Which actor starred as the character of Jason Bourne in the Bourne series? A. Jeremy Renner, B. Ben Affleck, C. Matt Damon. Matt Damon performed many of his own stunts in the Bourne series. 39. Who played the character of Batman in The Dark Knight trilogy? A. Ben Affleck, B. Michael Keaton, C. Christian Bale. Christian Bale's portrayal of Batman is widely acclaimed, 40. Which actor starred as the character of Harry Potter in the Harry Potter series? A. Daniel Radcliffe, B. Rupert Grint, C. Tom Felton. Daniel Radcliffe was cast as Harry Potter at the age of 11, 41. Who played the character of Wonder Woman in the 2017 film Wonder Woman? A. Gal Gadot, B. Linda Carter, C. Scarlett Johansson. Gal Gadot served in the Israeli Defense Forces before becoming an actress, 42. Which actor starred as the character of Jack Reacher in Jack Reacher? A. Tom Cruise, B. Brad Pitt, C. Leonardo DiCaprio. Tom Cruise performed many of his own stunts in Jack Reacher, 43. Who played the character of Lara Croft in the Tomb Raider series? A. Angelina Jolie, B. Charlize Theron, C. Kate Beckinsale. Angelina Jolie's portrayal of Lara Croft made her an action star. 44. Which actress starred as the character of Amelie in Amelie? A. Audrey Tautou, B. Marion Cotillard, C. Juliette Binoche. Audrey Tautou, Amelie, is one of the most popular French films worldwide. 45. Who played the character of Maximus in Gladiator? A. Russell Crowe, B. Joaquin Phoenix, C. Gerard Butler. Russell Crowe's performance in Gladiator earned him an Academy Award for Best Actor. 46. Which actor starred as the character of the Joker in Joker, 2019? A. Heath Ledger, B. Joaquin Phoenix, C. Jared Leto. Joaquin Phoenix won an Academy Award for his role in Joker. 47. Who played the character of Frodo Baggins in The Lord of the Rings series? A. Elijah Wood, B. Ian McKellen, C. Sean Astin. Elijah Wood. Elijah Wood was cast as Frodo Baggins at the age of 18. 48. Which actor starred as the character of Deadpool in Deadpool? A. Ryan Reynolds, B. Hugh Jackman, C. Chris Evans. Ryan Reynolds' performance in Deadpool revitalized the character's popularity. 49. Who played the character of Jack Torrance in The Shining? A. Jack Nicholson, B. Robert De Niro, C. Al Pacino. Jack Nicholson, "Here's Johnny," is one of the most famous lines from The Shining. 50. Which actress starred as the character of Selina Kyle/Catwoman in The Dark Knight Rises? A. Anne Hathaway, B. Halle Berry, C. Michelle Pfeiffer. Anne Hathaway trained in martial arts for her role in The Dark Knight Rises. And that's it. How did you score? If you enjoyed this quiz, hit like and subscribe for more fun trivia. Don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss out. See you in the next quiz. Thanks for playing.